Have you ever connected a USB-C dock or hub to your laptop, expecting your monitor, keyboard, or USB devices to start working instantly, only to realize nothing happens? Maybe your external monitor stays black, your keyboard doesn't respond, or your USB drive doesn't appear at all. What makes this even more confusing is that the dock might work perfectly on another laptop, which makes you think the hardware is broken. In most cases, the dock itself isn't the problem. The issue usually comes from power delivery conflicts, USB-C port limitations, or driver glitches inside the operating system. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a USB-C dock or hub that isn't detected by your laptop using a simple step-by-step checklist. What this video will fix. In this guide, we're going to troubleshoot one of the most common USB-C problems users experience in 2026. Your dock or hub may not appear at all. External displays may fail to connect, or devices connected through the hub may randomly disconnect. These issues often occur after system updates, driver conflicts, or incorrect power delivery from the laptop. We'll start with the simplest and safest checks first, including verifying the USB-C port type and ensuring the dock is receiving enough power. After that, we'll move on to resetting USB connections and updating drivers so the laptop can detect the hub properly again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your USB-C dock connection without replacing hardware. Step 1. Check if your USB-C port supports docking. The first thing many users overlook is that not all USB-C ports support docking or video output. Some laptops have USB-C ports that only support charging or data transfer, while others support DisplayPort or Thunderbolt features needed for docks and hubs. To verify this, look for a lightning bolt symbol or DisplayPort icon next to the USB-C port on your laptop. These symbols indicate that the port supports advanced functionality like docking stations and external monitors. If your laptop has multiple USB-C ports, try connecting the dock to another port. Many laptops only allow docking through one specific port, especially on ultrabooks or thin laptops. Step 2. Check power delivery to the dock. Another common issue is insufficient power reaching the dock or hub. Some USB-C hubs rely on power pass-through from a charger to function properly, especially if multiple devices are connected. If your dock includes a power input port, connect your laptop charger to the dock instead of plugging the charger directly into the laptop. This allows the hub to distribute power to connected devices like external drives, keyboards, and monitors. If the dock is not receiving enough power, the laptop may detect it briefly and then disconnect it, which causes devices to stop working randomly. Step 3. Reconnect the USB-C hub properly. USB-C devices sometimes fail to initialize correctly when they are plugged in while the laptop is under heavy load. A simple reconnection process can often fix this. First, unplug the USB-C hub from the laptop completely. Then disconnect any devices connected to the hub, such as monitors or USB drives. Wait about 10 seconds so the laptop clears the previous USB connection. Now, reconnect the hub to the laptop first, then reconnect the devices one by one. This process allows the system to detect each device in the correct order. Step 4. Reset the USB controllers. Sometimes the USB controller inside Windows or Mac OS becomes stuck after updates or device conflicts. Resetting the controller forces the system to detect connected USB devices again. On Windows, open Device Manager, expand the section called Universal Serial Bus Controllers, and look for USB host controllers. Right-click each controller and choose Disable Device, then enable it again after a few seconds. This process refreshes the USB subsystem and often resolves detection issues with docks and hubs. Step 5. Update USB and Thunderbolt drivers. Driver issues are another common reason USB-C docks stop working. If the laptop recently received a system update, the USB driver or Thunderbolt driver may need to be updated as well. Open Device Manager and check for any warning icons under USB controllers or Thunderbolt devices. If you see one, right-click the device and choose Update Driver. You can also visit your laptop manufacturer's website and download the latest USB-C, Thunderbolt, or chipset drivers. Installing these updates often restores proper communication between the dock and the laptop. Step 6. Check display settings for external monitors. If your dock connects but your external monitor still shows a black screen, the issue may be related to display settings rather than the dock itself. On Windows, press Windows plus P to open display projection options. Choose Extend or Duplicate to activate the external monitor connected through the dock. Sometimes the monitor is detected but simply disabled, which makes it appear as though the dock isn't working. Step 7. Test with a different USB-C cable. Many USB-C hubs and docks rely on specific cable types that support high-speed data and video signals. If you are using a replacement cable or an older cable, it might not support the required bandwidth. Try using the original cable that came with the dock or another high-quality USB-C cable designed for data and video transfer. Lower quality cables may charge devices but fail to transmit display or docking signals. Testing with another cable is a quick way to rule out hardware compatibility issues. Step 8. Last resort. Power reset the laptop. If none of the previous steps worked, performing a full power reset can help clear hardware connection issues. Shut down the laptop completely, unplug the charger, and disconnect the USB-C dock. Wait about 30 seconds before turning the laptop back on. Once the system restarts, connect the dock again and check whether the devices are detected properly. This reset often clears hidden connection errors that build up over time. Final check. After completing these steps, reconnect your USB-C dock and verify whether your devices are working. Check that your keyboard, mouse, storage devices, and external displays all appear normally. If the dock now works correctly, the issue is likely related to power delivery, USB detection, or outdated drivers. These are the most common causes of docking problems on modern laptops. To recap, when a USB-C dock or hub is not detected by a laptop, the problem is usually caused by unsupported USB-C ports, insufficient power delivery, driver conflicts, or USB controller glitches. By checking these areas step by step, most docking issues can be solved without replacing the dock or the laptop. If this guide helped you fix your USB-C dock, make sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guides for more simple step-by-step tech fixes. And in the comments, tell me which step solved your problem so it can help others experiencing the same issue.